Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix EF and D drive which is missing in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together to open this run window. Here you need to type diskmgmt.msc. Click on OK to proceed. So once you have successfully opened this window called Disk Management, proceed to Action, click on it, scroll down and go with Rescan Disks. Okay, once done, close this window and check if your missing drive is now appeared. Okay, so let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step where at the bottom search bar you need to type for CMD to search for command prompt. Go with Run as Administrator. So here your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed on yes, so that you would be able to open the command prompt as administrator. Here you need to type disk port, click enter. Once done, list space disk. Click enter. Okay. Now you need to select disk 0 because this is your local disk. Okay. Just have to type select disk 0. Click enter. Once done, type list space vol, click enter, and it will show you the volume and all of the size, the status in your drives. Okay, just have to go with the size and identify the missing drive based on the size. Okay, so just select it. How? Just start type it, select space vol space the number of drive according to the size that is missing in your Windows. Okay, click enter. Once the volume is the selected volume, then proceed by typing assign space letter, then equals, then the letter which is D, which is here. Okay, then click enter. Once the disk part successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point, typed on exit, click enter, and just have to close this window and then check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay, so the last step that I could recommend you is here you need to press Windows and R key together again, and we will navigate the same process, which is we need to open our disk management. So type diskmgmt.msc, then click on OK. So here you just have to expand it, okay? And look for the drive that you want to appear with, okay? So in my case, it has this, which is a D drive, okay? Just have to try to change the drive letters of it, okay? Just do a right click and go with change drive letters and paths. Click on change next to add, click on it, and there you can see a down arrow, click on it and select the drive letter that you want it to set with and click on OK. Click on yes, confirm your action. Once done, just simply close this window and there you have that you have just successfully fixed your problem. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.